Hello everyone. In this series, our next topic is neo-bias classification. In this lecture, we covers the topics demonstrate application of neo-bias using Python. First we discuss about what is neo-bias. Neo-bias is a family of simple and effective probabilistic algorithm based on Bayes theorem. It is widely used for classification tasks in machine learning and statistics. The neo aspects come from the assumption that all features attributes are independent of each other given the class label. While this assumption is often unrealistic in practice, neo-bias performs surprisingly well in many applications. So we discuss about the real life application of neo-bias. First one is spam filtering. Neo-bias is widely used to classify emails or spam or not. Second one is sentiment analysis. Neo-bias is effective for demonstrating the sentiment of text. Example, positive, negative, or neutral. Third one is text classification. It is used to classify documents or text into predefined categories. Fourth is medical diagnosis. Neo-bias is used in medical application to classify diseases based on symptoms. Fourth one is fraud detection. Neo-bias can detect fraud activities by analyzing patterns in transitions. Next, we will discuss about applications and advantages of neo-biased applications. Text classification. Under text classification, we detect spam filtering, sentiment analysis, email categorization, and medical diagnosis. Predict diseases based on symptoms, and recommendation system predict users preferences. Here we discuss the advantages of new biased. Simple to implement, work well with small data sets, required fewer computation resources, perform well for problem like text classification and spam detection. And next we discuss the topic demonstrate the application of neo bias using Python. So we take simple example of neo biased. Here let's us neo bias for a basic text classification task such as determining whether a text message is spam or not. We will use the scikit-learn library for the implementation implementation of dataset. We will use the SMS spam collection dataset, which contains label SMS messages. Each message is categorized or spam or not. First, here we discuss the step-by-step implementation. First, we import necessary libraries like pandas, SPD, and sklearn library. Second step is load the data. For example, we take a data set and then third step is process the data converts the text data into numerical data using count vectorized, and then split data set into features and labels, split into training testing sets. So, converts text to feature vectors. And fourth step is train the neo bias model. In fourth step we initialize and train the neo bias classifier. Fifth step of the neo bias is test the model, make the prediction and evaluate the model. So we run this code and see this output, see its output. Yes, yes, this is the output for this code. Accuracy is equal 0.5. We take okay, this is the simple output of this code. Thank you for watching this video.